Let's give me a song from Sharon Peters there. Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We tried it all out, but deep inside we know would be bad to set things straight.
I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take with peace. Every journey always brings me back to you. And after all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, when love is truly right,
time is truly right.
it lives from here to here. It changes as it goes. Oh, we know the way it grows, but it never disappears.
After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
It all comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, oh, it's just beyond my touch. You know I give you so much.
After all, what else is living for?
Oh, after all the stuff it starts, keep you coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
It all comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. And after all the stops and starts, keep you coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
It all comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, thank you so much. That's all from Peter's there, right? And share once again, we're giving our request a song.